Hi, in this video we will discuss about horizontal alignment. What is horizontal alignment? First of all, we should to know about the alignment. What is alignment in roads and highways? Alignment is the central line position of highway underground. It is also termed as highway alignment. The alignment guides the good paths of the road through right alignment, which is the most economical and easy construct. There are mainly two types of alignment. One is horizontal alignment. It includes a straight line, curves, etc. The second one is vertical alignment. So in this video, we are going to draw an horizontal alignment. We already import points to AutoCAD Civil 3D. I already explained in previous video how we can export our points, which we get from the site. The surveyor is provided topographical points. Let me explain some other concept about the topographical survey. When surveyor provide us the topographical points, then we receive or we design a topographical map. Then we know that what is around this area where we are going to draw the alignment. We can see the buildings, we can see the existing utilities, light poles, and each and everything we can see. This is the electric pole and this is the buildings, we can see it. So easily we know that what is around and how our horizontal alignment can pass in our area. So this is a topographical map. So later we will also explain about this, that how we can draw alignment through this topographical map. But now I am going to just define an alignment with the simple Civil 3D points, so it will be easy in the first step. And here also we have junction. Then we can see that we have like kind of this junction. This is our complete topographical data which we capture from the site and we create from the points. We can see the elevation, each and everything here. But first of all, we have here a simple points. So I'm going to explain with this simple Civil 3D existing ground points, so it will be easy to understand. First of all, we will going to create a surface. As I explained, we can give the name to this surface EG, existing ground, and we can change the surface style from here. Once we change the surface style from here, we can click on OK. Now our surface is created. We can go to the surface and go to the EG, and from the definition we can add points from here. Right click on the point group and we have the point group here which we import recently. Apply and OK. Now you can see that your surface is created successfully. But the one thing is that our points road is going like this way. This is unnecessary lines. If we are going to change the contour interval and contour smoothing, how we can do? Select the surface and go to the surface property, edit surface style, and next we will on triangulation, triangles from here, and we will off the contours from the display option here. Apply and OK. Now it's clear. We can delete all this line which is unnecessary. So just click here and click. You can see the edit surface, delete line. So select the lines which you don't need. You can just select all these lines from here to here. Okay. Now the all line is selected and we can right click from our mouse. Then you can see that your unnecessary line is deleted. If you need to delete some of these lines, you can also select these lines from here to here. Even you can just select it like this. You can just select it like this. Right click. Now you can see that your unnecessary lines is deleted successfully. So now we have this area and we will draw our alignment in this area. But first of all, we need again go to the edit surface style and we will turn off this and we will turn on our contours here. Apply and OK. So now we have these contours. If you're going to change the contour interval style, then we can go to the contour intervals. We can enter 0.2 and we can go to the smoothing. We can correct its true smoothing, increase to 100%, apply and OK. Now we have this surface, we have these points, we can see it here.